Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin with a beautiful and simple dot mandala in this 10-inch board. I'll dot with pearl light green in the center. I'll do tiny dotting in light green. I'll keep some dots in light grey. I'll keep tiny swipes in light grey. I'll keep some dots in light green. I'll do tiny dotting in light green. I'll keep some dots in light grey. I'll do tiny dotting in light grey. I'll keep some dots in light green. I'll keep small dots in light grey. I'll work the dots in grey. I'll keep some dots in light green. I'll work the dots in light green. I'll keep side swipes in grey. I'll keep lumpy dots in light green. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep some dots in light green. I'll keep some dots in light grey. I'll work the dots in grey. I'll keep some dots in grey. I'll work the dots in grey. I'll keep some dots in light green. I'll work the dots in light green. I'll keep brush strokes in grey. I'll keep some brush strokes in green. I'll keep some dots in light grey. I'll make the grey dots into swipes. To me, this dot mandala looks really beautiful. What about you? Let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching this video.